Good evening, children. This is Shamali Miss. In this coming academic year, I'll be taking history and geography for you. Now, I am going to take the lesson 1 from geography, that is India, size and location. We know that our country has made remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, technology, industry, and overall economic development. For all this, the location and the geographical features of our country is very important. Before going to the main topic, I would like to make you to revise something that you have learned in the 6th standard about latitudes and longitudes. You have learned that latitudes and longitudes are the imaginary lines and circles made by the geologist to study about the geographical features of different areas of the earth's surface and also to locate different countries and places. Next, what is a latitude? All parallel circles from the equator to the poles are called latitudes, that you have learned once. All parallel circles from the equator to the poles are called latitudes. And all latitudes are measured in degrees. There are 181 latitudes. There are 181 latitudes including the equator. Equator is the longest latitude. And the value of each latitude followed by the word N or S. So the value of each latitude, whether it is 23.5 degree, after that N is coming, which indicates from the equator to the northern area it is known as northern hemisphere. From the equator to the southern area it is southern hemisphere. That is why after the value of each latitude there is a letter S or N. Next is longitude. Longitudes are the imaginary lines which connect the North Pole and the South Pole. Longitudes are also called meridians. This meridian which passes through the British Royal Observatory, London, which is taken as the prime meridian, which measured in 0 degree. Okay, and there are 360 meridians. So these latitudes as well as the meridians are very important to locate a country. So based on this, we will be locating our country on the globe or on the surface of the earth. So next we are going to locate our country on the globe. So here our country is located completely on the northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere, already I told you, from equator to the north pole it is northern hemisphere. When we take the case of latitudes, okay, from equator is the latitude, from equator to the south pole it is southern hemisphere. Like that, this is the prime meridian, isn't it? From prime meridian to the east it is eastern hemisphere. From prime meridian to the west it is western hemisphere. So whenever we locate different countries with its longitude and latitudes, we add the word N or E. So our country is completely in the northern and eastern hemisphere. So this is our country, and you can see 23.5 degree north, that is the Tropic of Cancer, which divides our country into equally two parts. And our country is lying in between the longitude 97 degree 25 east and 68 degree 7 east. So I have to make you to understand easily, I have drawn it on a large scale. Here you can see between the longitudes 68 degree 7 east and here 97 degree 25 east. And here you can see between the latitudes 37.6 degree north and here 8 degree 4 north. So I think it is very clear to you in between what longitudes and in between what latitudes. This is the correct location of our country on the earth's surface. Next is about the size of our country. The landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. So the total landmass of our country is 3.28 million square kilometer, and this 3.28 million square kilometer is the 2.4 percentage of the total geographical area of the world. And India is the 7th largest country in the world, and the total boundary of our country is 15,200 kilometer. So when we take the total boundary of our country, it is 15,200 kilometer. Next is the total length of the coastline including Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island is 7,516.6 kilometer. So here our coastline starts from here. Here we have Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean, then Bay of Bengal. So the total length of the coastline, which begins from here up to this much, including the Lakshadweep, the coastal length of the Lakshadweep as well as the Andaman and Nicobar Island, it is 7,516.6 kilometer. And north of our country is bounded by Himalaya, that you know. South it is Indian Ocean, east Bay of Bengal, and the west Arabian Sea. And the north-south extension of our country, that is from Jammu Kashmir till Kanyakumari, it is 3,214 kilometer. And east-west extension of our country, that is from the Kutch of Gujarat, till Arunachal Pradesh. From Kutch of Gujarat till Arunachal Pradesh, it is 2,933 kilometer. So north-south extension 3,214 kilometer and east-west extension 2,933 kilometer. This is about the size of our country. So only this much for today, and you have to watch this video again and again 2 or 3 times till you understand it very well. And you have an assignment, that is you should draw the outline map of our country, and you should locate the Tropic of Cancer, which divides India into 2 equal halves, the north-south extension of our country, and also east-west. Then all these things should be included: Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Indian Ocean, etc. Then I also need the longitudinal and latitudinal extension also. Okay, so this is the assignment for you. You have to do it either in an A4 sheet paper, or if you have a large book, in that you can draw. Whatever, you have to keep a notebook for this geography, because in future topics I will be giving you some questions. You should find out its answers and you have to write. So it is better that you keep a notebook. And this one, if you write or if you do this assignment on an A4 sheet paper, it will be better. Okay, I hope that you understood the introduction of this chapter very well, and if you have any doubt, please make a call. Thank you.